According to the Nelson David, data-driven decisions are choices made based on the empirical data analysis. That is to say, we made our decisions based on the data we collected, or after we see the data analytics results, we do not simply based on our past experience. Traditionally, people would make their decisions either based on their past experience or based on their own instinct. However, data-driven decisions are more objective as they are based on what the science tells the strategist. Digital marketing analytics is to analyze the digital marketing data and then to reach results to show insights. Therefore, data-driven decisions are the fruit of digital marketing analytics, or put it in another way, data-driven decisions are made by digital marketers based on the results of analyzing the digital marketing data. Therefore, the more data-driven decisions people make, the more valuable digital marketing analytics would be. We have different types of medium for digital marketing, including owned, paid, and earned medium. Owned medium are fully controlled by the business, and other parties cannot make any change to the content or message displayed on the medium. For example, a company's official website or their email that used to promote products to customers. Paid medium is owned by a third party other than the business and customers. The feature of the paid medium is that the business has to pay to share any content on the medium. For example, the paid display is on Google search engine make Google search is a paid medium or paid social medium, such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. The last type is a medium. It's also a third-party medium platform, but the company is not able to pay them to gain space to show their content or messages. The content is determined by the platform or by the user of the platform. For example, reviews, social posts, and ratings. A very typical example is the reviews written by the Google Map or social media. For data collection and storage, organizations usually have their own ways. First, they can obtain some public data that are available by everyone, such as census data from the government. In addition, sometimes they might need more accurate data owned by private organizations. Then they will need to find a data broker who can offer them root data at a certain price. Also, another very important way is to collect data through more traditional ways, such as survey or develop their own database through their digital platforms. As to data storage, companies usually store their data on their computer or their hard drive or on some online platform for data storage. Data quality is about how accurate the data might be. In many cases, there might be some errors related to the data we collect, such as measurement error, data entry error, data integration error, and calculation error. Data quality is important because the higher the data quality, the more accurate the statistical results can be. Less accurate results can be misleading, so that strategists might make decisions that are not very effective. Data cleaning is a process to improve the accuracy and the completion of data manually. Some data can be incorrect, particle, or error, so it should be fixed manually. Data cleaning can mitigate errors by removing the outliner and incomplete, correcting discrete data variables, removing duplicate records, and so on. By doing those things, there will be few errors in the data collected. Data structure is built through using data keys and metadata. Based on our textbook, a data key is a field used to connect data across multiple tables and data source. And there are two different types of data keys: the primary data keys and the foreign data keys. The primary data key has its own value. Example of the primary data key is a customer ID. A foreign data key is referred to the value of the primary data key in another table. Then there is the metadata, which actually the data about the data. Simply put, it label data so people would know the origin and attributes. Once data structure is built, then what we need to do is to connect data source. This can be done by using different tools, such as the VLOOKUP function from Excel, or using a structured query language. By doing that, different data sources can be connected so that we can analyze them at the same time or integrate them to achieve more accurate results or insights.